Hello everyone, this is VTM Group with you. Today, we have a review of the JCB actuator and the ATP-5000 tester. What I am going to say now can also be relevant to ATP-2000 tester. ATP-5000 is a new tester. We have merged the capabilities of the ATP-3000 and ATP-2000 into this device, so it is able to test both actuators designed for passenger vehicles and for trucks. Since we are dealing with a truck actuator today, we are making a choice for the menu entry truck. As I mentioned, this is a JCB actuator and it is 12 volts. For the purpose of connecting it, we use a cable adapter that changes from 24 to 12 volts. We are choosing the JCB option from the menu provided. We see that the tester recommends the G15 cable. Cable G15. The letter G signifies that the marking is of a green color. And we connect. We see that the actuator is controlled in manual mode. I ask you to pay attention that in this case we are currently going for the minimum value. While the task is intended to be 5, the actuator is set to the minimum position of 21. You might observe that when you increase the task, the position of the actuator does not alter until it either matches or exceeds the value of 21. And from this position, the actuator starts to move. This adaptation it seems, was made directly on the turbo. To clarify, this is the least position he can access, which is 21. Let's see if we can try it in automatic mode. We observe that despite the tester sets a minimum position of 10, he does not go below 21. So we had an actuator for a JCB turbo under review. Of this type, 12-volt power supply. And the ATP-5000 tester, I will repeat once again that this variant of the algorithm can also be used for the ATP-2000 tester.